Today for Avalanche Awareness Days, we're going to talk about inbounds terrain versus out-of-bounds terrain. What's the difference and what it takes to open this terrain?
Here at Lake Louise, 30 to 35% of the resort is avalanche terrain, which is controlled by an avalanche control program. There's a dedicated team of 8 ski patrollers that work full-time on avalanche control. For example, Whitehorn 2, which is a fraction of the avalanche terrain, has had 105 explosives to date and 32 days of active control work. They reduce risk by using explosives, ski cutting and ski compaction. So the difference between inbounds and out-of-bounds terrain is that we control avalanche danger inbounds and that there's no one controlling avalanche danger within the backcountry.
And what it takes to open.
How's the bath? Sorry, I don't know why. So don't be naughty!
I almost fell over.